It was a bright, busy day at the mall. Leo, stay close to me at the mall.
Okay, Mom. Just 5 more minutes, please.
Leo ran to look at the toys.
Wow, look at that one!
He put the phone down for just a second.
When he turned back, it was gone.
Wait! Where's the phone? It was right here.
Where is it?
Where could it be?
Please! Please be here! Please be here! Where is it? Excuse me? Have you seen a phone? It's my mom's, and I lost it.
Oh no, I'm sorry, sweetheart. I haven't seen it. Maybe try asking at the front desk?
Okay. Thank you.
Leo sat down alone, all his energy gone.
I lost Mom's phone. This is bad.
Wait, crying won't help. Mom always says, if something's lost, check the lost and found desk. Leo stood up and looked around bravely. It has to be somewhere near the entrance. I saw a sign earlier. Someone must have found the phone and handed it in. That's what Mom always tells people to do.
Excuse me, Hiti? Did anyone turn in a phone?
Let me check for you, sweetheart. Just a moment. Is this it?
Yes! That's it! Thank you saying so much!
Leo? Leo, where are you?
Mom, I found it! I'm sorry I wasn't careful, but I didn't give up.
It's okay, Leo. I'm so proud of you for figuring it out on your own.